Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's Sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, it's Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What's going on, Taurus? Magician with the Lovers. You are manifesting something big into your life. Yes, you are manifesting. You are in the process of manifesting. And I think there is love, but it is about more physical. This is physical attraction, not about emotional. Yes, there is emotional, but physical is dominating. Yes, your person is attracted to you physically than emotionally. So let's see our reading recent past. Page of Wands, Seven of Cups and Five of Wands. There is a lot of drama is going between you and your person in past. Seven of Cups, you are in so much confusion about this relationship or about this person. You are totally confused. Taurus. And Page of Wands, your person is immature. Maybe there is age difference between both of you. And there was some message, communication was happened between both of you. More than one person may be fighting for your attention also. But I am seeing a lot of drama. You are so confused. Then present Two of Swords, Three of Cups and the Temperance. For some third party situation also involved in this connection. You are very indecisive to make some decision regarding this person. Two of Swords energy and Temperance. So you are patiently waiting to make decision, or you are restoring balance within yourself. Yes, you are patiently working on yourself to gain balance within yourself. Because you are so confused here, you have no clarity what to do and what not to do in next. That's why you are restoring balance within yourself. You are in that process. Then future, Six of Swords, Ten of Swords and King of Pentacles. I think this relationship is becoming very hard work for you, because Ten of Wands energy, maybe you are taking the whole responsibility in this relationship. That's why you are feeling Ten of Wands overburden. Six of Swords, so there is some communication is coming to fix the things. Maybe you decided to move on from this person due to this overburden. And King of Pentacles, for some someone is coming back to fix the things between both of you and to offer stability. This is one case. But another case, you want to move on from this relationship and to concentrate on your abundance and career. Here these two cases. One group is want to move on from this connection, and for other group, your person want to fix the things between both of you and they want to communicate with you. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy, especially Sagittarius. Then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, the Moon. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. So Taurus, let's see their feelings towards you. Four of Pentacles. So I think there are some trust issues between both of you. Yes, there are trust issues. You are not trusting this person. And Nine of Pentacles. Your person is very independent emotionally. Yes. And they are holding back. Right now they are not expressing their feelings to you. And Ten of Swords energy. But they're saying words. They want rebirth in this connection. But they are not showing. They are not taking any proper action. And Seven of Swords energy, definitely this person may be sneaky and may be toxic for you. And so let's see their intentions, then we will get more clarity. Taurus, their intentions towards you. Yes, they're guarded up. Why they are not? Yes, I think this person not willing to take responsibility. They are in and out of your life. They are player, I think. Yes, they are not taking responsibility. Yes, they want you, but they don't want to take responsibility. I want to be honest with you, because I am not seeing any positive cards. I think any to take relationship to next level cards, because Page of Wands, again immature, playfulness and player type energy. They still attracted to you, but they don't want to take responsibility. That's why they guarded up. Maybe for some, this person playing games with you, other persons also involved in this connection. Yes. And see, Eight of Swords, they're feeling stuck. They don't want to take any action towards you. They're feeling stuck. And for some, this person may be really sneaky for you guys. Be careful. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. That's why you're confused to let go or to be with this person. You are so confused to make decision. The Sun. For some, children's also involved in this connection, and they are always busy with their happiness. They are always searching for happiness. The Sun. And the Seven of Pentacles, they keep putting you in a waiting mode. And again under the deck, Eight of Swords. Yes, they keep putting you in waiting mode. They're feeling stuck. They don't take decision. They don't make any action. And they are not available to you when you need them. Yes, waiting. Yes, Five of Pentacles with A. I think they treated you as an option in past. Five of Pentacles, cold shouldering. Maybe decided to cut off this person from your life. Ace of Swords. You want your freedom and you want your life. You want to live in the present moment and you want to going with the flow. Yes, with the life. I think you want to be in this energy near future. You don't want this waiting mode. You fed up with this energy. Because it is hurting you when they treated you as an option. But they always keep giving you false hope. They're always saying words but not making any action. Proper actions. Yes, again Seven of Swords. This person is sneaky. Definitely there are trust issues between both of you. Yes. This person is sneaky, always giving you false hope. Seven of Swords with the Star. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius or Gemini, Libra. Aquarius, especially Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Lot of fire energy and air energy is here. Definitely they are always giving you false hopes, and this person is sneaky for you guys. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Taurus. The energy is gaining momentum. For what? Nothing will come of this situation. This is the proper card for this reading. Yes. This is for very rare, very few, for few people. The energy is gaining momentum. Maybe if you are doing work, you are not seeing any result. This is for that. This is for your life, but this is for your relationship. Nothing will come of this situation because this person is sneaky, playing games with you. Lot of you are involved in third party situation. For some family issues, they don't want to take a responsibility. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.